there, but shifting focus towards the South China Sea, particularly Taiwan. Taiwan's Ministry of National Defense has detected 1 Chinese aircraft and 5 Chinese naval vessels operating around Taiwan's territorial waters. The Ministry of National Defense of Taiwan has also released a statement highlighting that 1 sortie of a PLA aircraft and 5 PLA Navy vessels operating around Taiwan were detected up until 6 a.m. today, and the sortie crossed the median line and entered Taiwan's northern edges. They have monitored the situation and responded accordingly. This, of course, comes as a series of such incursions in Taiwan's waters, and its airspace has been taking place. This is not the first time we've seen such incursions, in fact, increase over the last couple of years. My colleague Arzu Seth joins us on the broadcast to share more details. Arzu, we're learning that the Taiwan Ministry of National Defense has now detected 1 Chinese aircraft and 5 Chinese naval vessels operating around Taiwan's territorial waters.
Definitely, the Ministry of National Defense of Taiwan has, informed about the 1 sorties of PLA aircraft and 5 plane vessels operating around Taiwan were detected up to until 6 a.m. and also 1 sorties across the median line and also entered Taiwan's northern ADIZ. They also informed that the situation is being monitored and also, responded accordingly. And also, if you see, this is not the first time. Earlier also, back 2 days back also, there were several movements of the Chinese troops around the Taiwan area. And now, once again, MND has detected 2 PLA aircraft and 4 Chinese vessel aircraft operating around itself. On the post also, it was said that 2 sorties of PLA aircraft and 4 plane vessels operating around Taiwan were detected until 6 a.m. And also, meanwhile, Taiwan Vice President has reaffirmed the government's firm commitment to national security and regional stability on Friday amid rising Chinese threats and intensifying geopolitical tensions. So definitely, Taiwan is very clear on its point, but also definitely they are saying that they are, very ready to, they are very commitment or they have the commitment to national security and regional stability. And in fact, is speaking before the dozens of the foreign correspondent, and it is being said that the Taiwan continues to navigate one of the world's most complex and contested region. Taiwan does not live in a vacuum. This is what it is said, and also it is informed that we operate at the center of one of the world's most dynamic and contested geopolitical environment. So that is clearly, mentioned that how there has been a pressure from China through military provocations, gray zone warfare, and economic, situation that has been created. But now it is also being clear that, Taiwan is, the government is affirmed to, secure the national security. Yes.
All right, Arzu, thank you so much for joining us on the broadcast, sharing all those details. We were shifting focus to some